This mung bean and fenugreek sprouts curry is amazingly delicious. I guarantee that if you try this dish once, it will become the favorite dish of you and your family. It's very easy to make and calls for simple ingredients. It is a rich source of protein and other important nutrients and fiber. The fenugreek sprouts is good for people who are diabetic and are on weight loss journey. As they say, it contains chemicals that may slow down the digestion and body's absorption of carbohydrates.
Hi friends, a very warm welcome. Those of you who do not know me, I'm Vinitha.
I'm sharing in this video the process of preparation of this flavorful curry. We need 1 cup mung bean sprouts and 1/4 cup fenugreek sprouts, 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion chopped, and 1 green chili deseeded and chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of split black gram. This is optional, but it adds to the flavor of the curry and crunchiness. Then 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 3 red whole chilies, and half teaspoon cumin seeds, and half teaspoon red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and 1/8 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, and 1 tablespoon grated jaggery, and 2 to 3 tablespoon coriander leaves chopped, and 1/4 cup grated coconut, half teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and oil. Now we will cook this sprouts in a cooker over a medium flame with 1/4 cup water, a pinch of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon salt till we hear 1 whistle. Then we will switch off the flame and wait for the pressure to release. Now when we open the cooker, we'll see that the sprouts are cooked, and it has that crunchiness, and there is no water in it. So this is how we want for this curry. See, there is no water to drain or anything, and it's cooked perfectly well. Now we will move on to the preparation process. So please keep a heavy bottom pan on the stove over a medium flame and pour in oil. So today I have just taken 1 tablespoon of oil and clarified butter, but I'll see if I need, I will add it later. But it's 2 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of oil and clarified butter is what we need. I usually add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, because clarified butter is very good for health. It not only adds to flavor, it's also good for our health. So I usually add that way. So now once the oil is hot, I will add in the mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds splutter, we'll add in cumin seeds and the whole red chilies and split black grams, and we'll wait for the split black grams to turn a little light brown in color. So now you can see me adding cumin seeds, and then you can whole red chili and black split gram. Now I'll just toss it a little bit so that it doesn't get burned, yet it becomes light brown in color. Once it becomes light brown in color, we'll add in green chili and the ginger garlic paste. And the garlic, when we add it, now I'll add it. Just toss this little bit. Almost started becoming a little golden brown. At this stage, we can add our green chili and ginger garlic, and we'll continuously toss it till garlic turns light brown in color. all the rawness will be removed, and the garlic should be light brown in color. And then we'll add onions. Onions need not become brown, it just need to be translucent. I'll add a little bit more oil here because I didn't add that time. No, I'll add it here, and then I will put a little half teaspoon of salt so that the water will be released. Now I'm soon going to add the spices, so I don't want it to get burnt. Water will be released from this, and I'm adding the rest of the turmeric and red chili and asafoetida, and I'll keep tossing it so that it doesn't get burnt. This is the only place where we have to be very careful because we should not burn it, yet it should be roasted so that the flavors are released. Soon we'll be adding tomatoes, so that then once the tomato is added, the water from the tomato will prevent it from burning. So now the tomato is added. Now you can see the pan is deglazed also. Now the spices won't get burnt. Now once a little bit the tomato is cooked, then we will add in the sprouted mung bean and fenugreek, because we want this water released from these tomatoes to be absorbed by the sprouts, so that the sprouts flavors will be incorporated onto the sprouts. So that's why we are adding in sprouts here. That's why we are not waiting for the tomatoes to be fully cooked, because we want the tartness and all the flavors to be incorporated into this mung bean. So we will just let it be cooked in this. We'll cover it also and cook a little, some 3 to 5 minutes in it, till the flavors are all incorporated onto this, and the tomatoes is cooked and it is fully cooked. That's what we are waiting for. So it's done, but still a little more to be done. So I'm gathering it so that it doesn't burn, and the vapor or the steam from this will remain enclosed inside, and it will not dry up. So I'm covering it once again till the tomatoes is fully cooked. Once it's fully cooked, we'll add in coconut, grated coconut and jaggery. Still to be cooked, so just topping it and gathering it like this. Once it's fully cooked, we'll spread it and then add coconut. The tomato should be fully cooked. Yeah, now it is fully done. I'm adding in the grated coconut and mixing it, and then I'll add the grated jaggery. Since the jaggery is grated, it will melt soon, and it also we can mix it all well. Now I'm adding jaggery in, and once it melts, I'm going to mix it all well. After that, we'll add coriander chopped. It's done. Now we will add, it's all mixed well. We'll add coriander chopped, and we'll mix it and switch off the flame. Hope you like this recipe. Hope you will be trying it. Please do give it a try. It's good for health and awesome curry. Please do send in your valuable feedbacks and comments. And those of you who are new, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking. Stay healthy and stay happy.
See you in the next video. Until then, bye. YummilyVinitha signing off.